Scout man. We're driving. Hey, Scout man. You love your mommy? You love your mommy? You love your mommy? That's not a big... Ah, yeah. Scout, do you love your mommy? Do you love your mommy a lot? Do you love your dad? Do you love your daddy? Scout, do you love your daddy? Scout, look. You love the Crimson Tide? How about this? I know. Do you love Casey Anthony? Scout. Do you love Scout? Do you love Casey Anthony? Okay. Scout, do you love Kim Kardashian? Scout, look. Do you love Britney Spears? Ow! Do you love, how about Red Hot Nicole Scherzinger? I know. How about Scout? Do you love Nancy Grace? You love Nancy Grace? No. Do you love Casey Anthony? You love your mommy?